Also cool.
Now put the rest back there. Okay, one more squeeze. Put it down.
Okay.
You grab and squeeze. We want to have some photo of you with the milk squeezing.
Bist du da, Alter?
Look at that.
Yes.
Love fresh coconut milk. Hard work, yeah. Okay. So these with water, the first water, coconut milk, very rich, very flavorful,
Yeah.
right? You call them coconut cream and coconut milk 100%. Okay, that's good, done. Okay.
That's
And then the same coconut. Okay. And then same coconut, water, second round. This coconut,
okay.
when you do, the coconut will less strong taste, lighter.
Oh, okay.
So this one, the lighter version, we use to make when we cook for soup and curry, bring it to boil. And the fresh one here, the 100%, the richer one, we use for like the cream on top, like sticky rice with mango, mix them well, you know, or the butter for deep fried banana. You see the color? It's so nice.
Yeah, it's really so nice.
Green.
It's like apple green.
And then we let it boil. Okay. We just make a green curry. He's really good cook. It's really good. I like his food. Good job. He's brave. He's brave to adjust, you know, open-minded. That's really cool.
Coconut?
Coconut sugar. You can use white sugar or regular sugar. That's it's gonna be good too. But this is the real deal. And pandan leaf in. Just throw a few leaf in. Yeah. Our curry is gonna be reduced. It's gonna be thicker. And this one on top. This is my favorite. Have you tried it? Yes, yes. That's Papaya Salad. The sweetness on top. Let's see. On top of the curry, so good. Alright, sugar melted.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to do something to you. So at home, I try to cover everything so you won't miss anything in case you have a problem. You know how to fix them. Nice. Now, it needs more salt. Right? I didn't add for the beginning because I want you to see
The difference.
like whatever when you make a bigger portion will make it different. You have to understand the taste. Now even bring more banana taste into
Yeah.
it, pull out the flavor
Yeah,
more.
a lot more.
Nice, sir. Done.